outset,
Ministerial ka jylla u Conrad ke sangma haga khat khandai trik jliu ula khat ya ka karkhana penmi muslim musla baklem pendan kam dawai organic spice processing plant hari bhoi kum ga sinjam ka banwan ra jingkala na ka benta kinong ram bat ula ai buram ya ka jingkershan ba prasnam ka balathmu na ka benta ban kintiu ya ka yok ka kat jingkinong kindong hakaleng ke jylla Habakren ha ka jingalang haringkat ka jingadon lang ka menteri platingka ka sorkar pedeng ka Nirmala Sitharaman u Conrad ula ai khublei ya ka menteri halor ka jingkarshan na ka benta ka roy ka par jong ka than shatei la mi ni ula ong baka jingpenle jingmut jong ka sorkar na du usnam arjar khat phra ka long kham tam ban kintiwi kinong ram ban penyo e jingte ki bakham byang ka jingpenyo lat hai ki yo ki han ki jing a jing hikai bat ka jingpen mi ekimar ba kham he dor ha ka jaka jong ka weka scheme ka bamang lut ya barwa nilate ya ka te ka ba kinong ram kila dab ban le bha ki rukam rap tan rai bat nila a jingkershan song pisa ki jing hikai bat ka jingpen ya so ya ki yo ki han na ka benta ki kinhun nong ram ki badan ya ka jingkot jingmut ka bas kem ula ong U Conrad ula kedauru baka Meghalaya menta keladon haduk kat weightlike processing unit. Kibalap tre kampura, bat kibala ajing kershan, ya haduk kumba san pesan hajar ngot kinong ram, bat eki yeng kisam jongki. Ki jing arab ki barit, bat kiba penda jingmut kila banwan ra eki jingkela kiba kharau haga kamai kaji, hakitan nong kendong ula ong. Ula penken mawi ki jing ajing mut bahaswa jong ka menteri platingka, halur ka jing pen poi mar, kajing shalan bat kajing pen mi ekimar ba kham he dor da ka ba pen pau ba ka jylla na du ka te ka por bala persang ban pen biangi cold chain kajing bha jong kimar bat kajing ne islam jong kimar ban la ban poi shaki yo ki ba he ula pen pau ru ya kajing nang kiu kajing atri lang happening ki jylla jong ka than cha te la mi ni dak ba ong ka than menta ka don ha ka senshar khadar ka bas kham bat ki jaka trekam ki ba klan Hapo ka jingalam jong Ministeri Ramba du Narendra Modi kathan chatei la mi ni kala yai ringkat bat ki wei pat ki benta jong kari India bat no senyang sha ka jingkiu sha pharang jong kari U Secretary katanat ka rap karyang ka jylla U Vijay Kumar di U lakhot ya ka ni ka jingpli kum umau mer ba kongsan na ka benta ki lai point hindriulak ki long yeng jong ki nong rap ha ka jylla Ula ong ru baka ni ka karkhana hari bhoi kan la ban kin tiu ya ka kamai ka ji jong ki nong rap da hadu kumbasan pho percent tang ha ka wei ka ayom da ka ba khate ya ka jingdu nong hadin bala dap ka ayom on bat ka jingpen bhai kilat penyaso shaki yo ki han
at the very outset, I would like to thank our respected Union Finance Minister for taking the time, taking the trouble to come all the way to inaugurate this particular processing unit. And the reason I say this is because as Union Finance Minister, Madam has huge responsibilities. And many states at any given time would want her to visit their states. But she made it a point that while there is going to be a massive program of the Chief Ministers of Northeast today, she made it a point that she would want to be part of this inaugural program. And the reason why she does it in the little time that I have come to know her is because she believes in the small things that make a difference in people's lives. While as the finance minister of the country, the big decisions are very critical. But the human side of her realizes the importance of these small things that make that little difference in our farmers and in our people's lives, which for us looks very small, but for every farmer, it is a game-changing development that has taken place. And to be able to recognize that is the quality that I have noticed in our finance minister. So ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause to our respected finance minister for all the efforts that she makes to ensure that every citizen's life is touched and is improved and positive changes come out of them. In the last 8 years, it has been the endeavor of our government to precisely make those small changes in our farmers' lives. For us, one of the most important driving factors, and for me, maybe one of the most important objectives, is to be able to make a positive difference in a person's life. And I always tell even a large gathering that for me, when I can make a person smile and I can impact their lives, which would lead to them smiling, I think that is the greatest satisfaction that I can get. And for me, that is maybe one of the most important motivational factors also, to be able to see a smile on my citizens' faces. Today, 11 such units are functional throughout the state. On an average, each unit supports on an average 5,000 farmers. That means about 55,000 lives and families have been impacted by these small steps that we have taken. And I was just telling Madam before I came here to speak that we did not invent what is happening out here. The people have been doing this for ages, for years if not decades. And they have invented the wheel. We are only trying to ensure that we take it one notch up. We just simply made it better. We selected the correct groups. We went into their backgrounds of seeing the kind of passion and commitment that they have. Because for us, maybe that is one of the most important qualities we look for in any human being or any group, is are they passionate enough? And we are very clear about that because it is the passion that will get them through the difficult phases. And these groups have proven their passion beyond any doubt. And therefore these selected groups were picked up. Government came in. We started supporting them financially. We brought in experts. We started giving them better training, better facilities, and better market accessibility. And while we say that, I'm not saying that we are done. We have got a long way to go. But I can get a sense that we are in the right direction. I congratulate the entire team, whether it's the Agriculture Department, the MBMA, the MLAMP, our partners from IFAD, the Eastern Reboy Organic Farmer Producer Company, and all the farmers who are involved in this project. a big congratulations to all of you, and a big thank you to our secretary from DEA, who has always, as a department, have always supported the different projects that we as a state have brought out. And I'm sure that in the coming days also, as I said, seeing the kind of impact today that these projects are creating in terms of the livelihood and in terms of the overall economic status of our farmers, we hope that in the days to come also, more and more of such projects will be supported and will be taken up. Once again, Madam, I thank you for your concern, for your care, and for your love for the people of the Northeast. And we look forward for your guidance in the coming years as we work together to take our state and the country forward in the days to come.